Hi everyone. Today in this video, I will tell you how to create Google Forms and get responses on Excel sheet. So firstly, you have to log in your Gmail account and click on the 9 dots, that is Google Apps. Scroll down the drop down menu. You will get this Google form. Click here. Then a screen appears on your screen. This is actually a template gallery from where you can select the template as well as the blank forms. So I am selecting the template first for assessment. Now see, on this assessment form, I'll get all the fields ready-made. So I'll make it assessment 1. If you want to add the title, you can add the title. Now see, the main feature of this template is you get the personal record of a child by these two fields, or you can increase these two fields also. See, name is compulsory because star is mentioned here. So if you want email, you can put the email as a constraint. Otherwise, you can change this email. I'll put to admission number. Now you can change the type of the answers from here. See, this is the short answer question. That's why it is by default short answer. I can remove response validation, extra things from here, and made it require. Require means it is very important for the child to enter the details first. So now, if you want to add more details option, then see the floating bar here. Click on this add questions, this plus icon. See, when you click here, you will get one more field. Now I'll add class here. I'm writing choose your class. Then I'm selecting the type of question. My type of question is drop down. See, my first option is 12C. Then my second option is 12F. And I can increase the number of options or even reduces by putting the cross. Then no answer key is required, but you have to mark it as a validation because student has to fill it. So click it here, then the slider will move from left to right. It means now this field is validated. After that, quiz questions are there. I can change the name if you want. I am writing here computer science quiz questions. Then description based on SQL videos. You can write any of the description related to your subject. Then I can edit the questions. My first question is, it is related to my subject. What is RDBMS? First option. I'm writing the options. Options are a little bit lengthy. So relational database management system. Now if I don't want this option 4, I'll make it cross. Now my correct answer is third one, and it is showing the green tick here in the second one. I can edit it by putting this answer key. Click here. You will make it correct. If you want to add the feedback, you can add. Otherwise, you can delete it. Now I am done with the first part. So this is the quiz part. So I'll make it this required off. Then scroll for the second question. I am writing here the second question. Mark the features of primary key. So again I want multiple choice questions. My first option is not null values. The second option again is unique values. My third option is establish links between tables. And my fourth option is all of the above. So now I want the correct answer to be marked. So I'll put the tick on the last one, and I don't need the feedback, and I am done with the question. Now if you want to remove this third question, you can delete it. If you want to keep it, then you can keep that third question. Now this is about the fourth question. This is how I can create or delete as much as questions I want. So this is about the questions part. Now I'll go to the response part. I have to click here, create spreadsheet, because I want all the responses to become on the spreadsheet. As the student click on my link of this assessment form and solve this assessment, then I'll get the marks and their details on the spreadsheet. Name this assessment response. If you want to replace it, you can change the name of the sheet. Otherwise, I'll keep this only assessment. I'm only making it 1. Then click on create. Now my assessment sheet is now created by the Google Sheets like this. Okay. Now I'll go back to my forms. Now see, still 0 responses there. I move to the question part. Now I'm going to the settings. That this is very much important. So if you don't want the email, don't click here. If you want the email part, click it here. I don't want the email, so I'll uncheck it. Then restrict to users of the particular organization. No. Limit to 1 response means one child can sign in with any of the Google account and do it once only. Then I'll put save. Then again go to the settings. Again do presentation. You want to show the progress report. If you want to show, you can click here. And if you want to give any of the confirmation message, you can type it here and save. Again go to this quizzes. Teachers, please, you have to make it clear. It should be on the right side. means a slider on the right side. Make this as a quiz. This is very important for the quiz making. Then if you want grades to be shown immediately to the kids, then click here. Otherwise, I'll prefer you to click here later after manual review. Means you can post the details of whole class afterwards. Then click on save. Now I'll go to the preview. Now this is how your form looks like. See, assessment 1, SQL test. Star means required, very much required. Again, I'll put this email, then name, then admission number, then I'll choose class 12C, then I'll put this relational database model and all of the above. Then click on submit. See, my responses now goes to my Google Sheet. Your response has been recorded. I'll click on this Google Sheet. See, whole record is here. My score, my name, admission number, class, and even you can see my answers. Okay. This is how you have to proceed. Now you can go back there on your Google form and click on last processes, click on send. This is how you send your link to your friends or your students. Now click on this option. You will get the link. Shorten the link. You copy this particular link and I'll prefer you to email it to yourself so that you can open it on your mobile, and with the help of your mobile you can send it to your student like this. So dear friends, this is how you can create your assessment form and get the responses on your Excel sheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.